Let's step back in time to medieval Europe, where sneezing was more than just a simple reflex. Back then, people held a curious belief that sneezing could rid the body of demons or evil spirits. To protect the sneezer, they coined the phrase, "God bless you." It was like a shield against malevolent forces unleashed during a sneeze. They thought a sneeze made the soul temporarily depart the body, leaving it spiritually vulnerable. This custom, born out of a fear of the supernatural, has morphed into the polite "bless you" we use today. Superstitions have faded, but the gesture remains, a timeless symbol of courtesy and good wishes.